Hello everyone, welcome back to 50 Plus a Luxury Style. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. Please read the disclaimer that I posted prior to this video. I, like everyone else, is very well aware of what is happening in the world and realize the situation that we are in. I have been affected like others in different ways. I am fortunate in the fact that I have been able to work from home for the past week. And I just want to say that I plan on continuing to post these videos. This is my outlet. This is what makes me feel good and allows me to escape the reality for a few minutes. I hope that it does the same for you. That being said, today's video is a very exciting one. I have a reveal for you, and it is not an unboxing. If you want to see the unboxing, please go to my Instagram account. I did post an IG story, and I think I posted the post, and you can see me opening it. This arrived today, right about 2 hours before I finished working, and I had to really hold myself back and not open the box until my workday was over. But it is over, and I want to share this with you. Go ahead and get started with this. I'll give you a backstory later. Any guesses? To reveal the brand new Louis Vuitton Neverfull from the Escale collection. And again, I may be saying it incorrect. E-S-C-A-L-E. I'll post it right on the screen. This is what it looks like. It is your Neverfull MM with the stunning pastel colors. It has the large monogram in the front. The back of the bag is the beautiful monogram print in the regular size, with the pink, light blue, light purple, and yellow. The straps on this bag are pink, and the hardware is silver. I want to also let you know this is only available online in the United States. Please, if you're interested, just go online. You can get this bag in blue, in the pastel, and in a red. They are coming in and out, so if you go in and it shows notify me, just keep on checking because they have been coming up on the website. Now, this particular bag was made in Spain, and the inside is a beautiful fabric. It's kind of like a purpley lavender bluish color. I hope, and it seems, I think it's coming through true to, yes, that's the true color there, so you can get an idea. And it does come with the pochette. Let me go ahead and unclip it. You can tell this is not rehearsed, my friends. This is just kind of live. I wanted to get this out to you guys. So I said, let me not even wait for tomorrow. This is what the pouch looks like. The pouch is one piece of canvas, as you can see, just goes from one side to another. It's got the beautiful monogram. The hardware again is silver, and the inside is the same color as the interior of the Neverfull. And this is, oh, it's got a little booklet, LV Escale, or Escale. And here is the product number, and I'll also list that below. The care card is right here. And again, it's your typical pouch that you get in the Neverfull with one slip pocket and the open. And again, beautiful large monogram in the front, regular monogram size in the back. The bottom is just pink and white. And again, let me just give you a little bit of a close-up as to the straps. I think they're just beautiful. And I must tell you, my friends, I was not inclined at first because I am not a super fan of the large monogram. However, once I saw the color story, I could not order it. I was able to order mine a few days ago because I had pre-ordered and paid for mine already. As you may be aware, the Louis Vuitton stores closed due to the current situation. I'm not sure. I guess they must have decided to just release it online. My sales associate texted me earlier during the week and sent me a link and told me to go ahead and order it again so that I could get it. Went ahead and paid it again, and I am getting a refund from the store. So that's the quick story. Here's the beautiful, beautiful Neverfull. Leave me your comments down below, any questions down below, and I will do a proper video going over it later during the week. But for now, just wanted to share this with you. Much health. Take care of yourselves. Keep the social distance. I love you. See you soon. Bye.